Come on, Web3 marketing is hard. We all know this. It's hard, it's difficult, it's strenuous, you know, and for the fact that the industry is largely unregulated or probably underregulated, so there are a lot of hurdles, with the digital marketing platforms like Facebook, like Google, like YouTube. They never allowed crypto advertisements until recently. Now, people might be running it, but it's grossly illegal. It's against the policy. If they get you, they're going to flag your account. Now, here is it. I know you are probably working, on the project, maybe on your personal project in crypto Web3, and you would like to market it. Or you're even working as a marketer, maybe a content marketer, a social media marketer for other projects, in the crypto space. This tutorial is for you. This guide is for you. All right. This is going to give you a lot of insights into what is happening in the space. Is that clear enough? Now I want you to listen to me again. All right, listen to me again. I will show you practical tips, steps you need to take. You can either use one of them, two of them, or you can combine them as you deem fit, for your business, for your Web3 business or your Web3 product or services. Now, this is where it's even get interested. If you are watching video on this channel for the first time, I want to say welcome. Okay, welcome and congratulations, for finding this channel. Okay, you are going to love it here. All right. Now, please hit the subscribe button. Now, don't procrastinate. Hit that subscribe button right now. Like the video. All right. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell. All right, and share with your friends. And if you are returning subscribers, I want to say salute. Okay, I salute you. Thanks for being a part of this journey, and thanks for being a part of this community. Okay, I love you all. Now let's proceed from here. The first step you have to take is to build a community around what you're doing. Yeah, very important. Build a community around what you are doing. If you can do this, all right, it becomes easier for your product and services to grow. It becomes easier for you to rise in value because right now, community is everything. Trust me. Okay, even footballers now they don't have their own community. Okay, Ronaldo have his community on Instagram. One of the most, I think, probably the most followed footballer on earth, or the most followed human being on earth right now. Okay, hundreds of millions of followers, isn't it? Now, building that community is the reason because Ronaldo has built a community. That's probably the reason why, even when we know that, technically speaking, Messi is more talented than Ronaldo, isn't it? But there are people that no matter how obvious it appears, they will never succumb. They will never give up. They will insist that by every possible standard in football, okay, Ronaldo is way better than Messi, and I'm tired of it. Why? These guys are the community of Ronaldo. Like they believe in him, they trust him, whatever he does, they like it. Even when he makes mistakes, they forgive him. Okay, that is the power of a community. Community is a foundation of Web3 marketing. And now it is not easy to have a community. You can have a community on Facebook community, you can have a community on Telegram, on WhatsApp, on YouTube, on Reddit, you can have communities everywhere. All right. So community supports your project. It is the foundation, it is the bedrock of your project. So you must look at ways to invite people to a community. Okay, where you talk to them, where you share, update about the project with them. Like you make them to feel like, you make them to be not even to feel like really, okay. You make them to be involved in what you are doing. You make them to be part of what you're doing. Okay, it's different from feeling like they are involved. Okay, you make a poll about a new product, a new services. They are involved in it. Decision making about it. So when you eventually launch that product, probably you're working with you're building an exchange, okay, and you're asking them for a features you want to add to it. They tell you to, there's a pool. They said you should add that feature. Okay, maybe the majority, about 80%, 90% said you should add that feature. If you add a feature to it, it is most likely that they are going to use it. It is more likely that aside using it, they are going to tell their friends about it, even outside of that community. With the fact that they are involved in that process. Okay, if you share an update about that feature on Instagram, on Twitter, on YouTube, they will more, they are more likely going to share it and engage with such content because they are members of your community. Okay, they trust you and they love what you're doing. Now that will take us to the next stage here, which is it: optimize your blog and website. All right, optimize your blog and website. Now, there are two ways about it, and I'm going to break it down. If you have a website, like you have the money to build a website, good for you. Great, amazing. Now, if you have a website, let's say the website is let me say it is xyz.com, for instance, or .coin, .crypto, right? That website at the initial stage will struggle with what we call domain authority, to struggle with it. Okay, and it is struggle with page ranking a lot because it is nobody just coming up for a new project. It's going to struggle a lot. Okay, now, but if you have the money, you have all it takes to hire a seasoned a seasoned SEO expert, an SEO professional that can help you to work on the website so that it becomes what people will be talking about. It ranks high on Google, on Bing, on Yahoo, on just any search engine platform. So those professionals will be able to help you to rank your website faster. However, if you don't have the finance, you don't have the financial capacity or the financial war chest to go about that, you could just create a blog. Okay, a blog. Okay, you create a blog for that project. Now, you don't necessarily have to use a like to build a blog from scratch. Even if you have a website, I still recommend that you have a blog connected to that website. Okay, where you blog more about the project. Now, what you could do is to leverage Medium. Okay, platforms like Medium. I've talked about this a lot, and I think I have a course on Medium SEO. Okay, if you'll be interested in that, let me know in the comment box. Okay, I think it's free. Yeah. If you don't need that, you can let me know. Okay, I can share that with you, in the YouTube comment section. Now, if you have a Medium account, okay, for that project, and post more about that project and optimize the content for search engine because Medium have a higher domain authority right now. Okay, even higher than most crypto websites that you know right now. So that will allow you to rank faster on search engine. So you get free traffic to your project. Okay. For instance, now, if you search for crypto bounty today, there are some platforms that you find because they are highly optimized for that purpose. So they don't even have to spend much money on marketing anymore. Okay, that will help them to cut their marketing budget. All right. They still going to be doing marketing, but that will help them to reduce their marketing budget. So because when someone is creating a new project, they might want to have a bounty campaign. Okay, they might want to have an audit for the project. If you search for crypto auditing platform or blockchain auditing platform today, there are some that will actually rank high on Google or any search engine of your choice. Okay, so because they've invested heavily into search engine optimization. All right. So you need to work more on that as someone that wants to market a product or services in the Web3 space. So the next I'm going to talk about now is try SMM. What is SMM? SMM is social media management. Okay. Be actively involved in sharing valuable stuffs, comic stuffs, on Twitter. Okay, on Twitter is like an unofficial home or social media platform for crypto today, to the point that we even have what they call crypto Twitter. Okay, because Twitter, X right now, it is formerly Twitter, it is X right now. So it's really important that you have an account on the platform. Okay, when people tag you, make sure you reply as fast as possible. Be creative, and be unique. Okay, be creative and be unique. I'm sharing this because I've actually worked with a couple of crypto projects in the past. Okay, and I've had the opportunity of working directly with the marketing department. Okay, so when I'm sharing this with you, you should know that these are things you need to actually build a robust marketing for your project, whether the existing one or an upcoming project. So you cannot completely run away from paid ads. Okay, you cannot completely run away from paid ads. If you are not paying, if you are not paying the platform like Google, like Facebook for ads, you are definitely going to be paying influencers for it. Okay, and influencers marketing kind of works better in crypto. Yeah, when someone that you believe in, someone that you know that this person have, has a very good capacity to guide you right. When they share an update with you, like things they also believe in, you are more likely to to click on it. You are more likely to engage with that information, with that content. Okay, you are more likely to take an action than when you see Twitter ads. Some people even ask questions like, do people actually click on crypto ads on Twitter? Okay, it is, it feels weird, like people, like it feels unusual, okay, and even surprising that people or somebody will click on crypto ads on Twitter, okay, or on Facebook, right? So social media marketing worked that much in that regard. All right, so also you should be thinking of video marketing. Okay, video marketing. Okay, for video marketing, how you can use motion graphics, motion graphics that captivates attention, that actually attracts attention, that gets people, pause what they are doing. You must learn how to use that also to your advantage. If you have a project, it is not a bad thing, okay, to invest on making videos for it. Okay, make video about an upcoming product, make video about an existing product, just make videos. Binance have a channel, isn't it? Okay. Binance have a channel, they have a channel, and sometimes they even organize like video content contest challenge, to drive engagement to their channel. All right. So, and a couple of top projects, they do have a channel. Check them out. They're on YouTube, they're on Instagram with videos, they're on TikTok with videos. So your case should not be different. Okay, invest in video. If you don't know how to go about it, get someone that can handle that department correctly. Okay, and represent your brand and project your brand through motion graphics, or let me say video, on this platform. It's quite important. Not everybody can read articles, whether long form articles or short form articles. Some people don't have that affinity for it. They cannot stand it. But give them video that, in fact, articles could be like 3 minutes read, 4 minutes read. There are people that will still not read it. And if you give them 10-minute video, they're gonna watch it. 6 minute video, they're gonna watch it. 5 minute video, they're gonna watch it. Alright. So you have to invest heavily in videos. Alright. If you want, you can create a bounty. A writing bounty, a video making bounty, like people just talk about your project and use a specific hashtag to rate, maybe like crypto hashtag, Web3 hashtag, Bitcoin hashtag, you get it. So that your brand is also going to be in the mix of that hashtag, because hashtag actually hosts a lot of information, a lot of content. There are people that actually subscribe, like they follow specific hashtag, like they are used to following a specific hashtag on social media platforms. Okay, so through bounties, you can target those audience, you can target those people. Okay, through bounties, it could be writing, it could be graphics, it could be meme bounties, graphics bounty, like you kind of make infographics. It could be writing, it could be video, it could be code bounty, like security bounty, I don't know. Okay, it could be that one. All right, so you need to look into this. And lastly, influencer and airdrops. Okay, some of you know about ZK today because of airdrop. And if you are watching this, if you can recall when I shared, I think people made a lot of money, somewhere about $400 plus through the Vela airdrop I shared with you in the crypto community. Okay, now Vela was just so smart, they converted part of their marketing budget to airdrop. All right, and they also paid some influencers. That is, it is just quite obvious, isn't it? So, and that got them into the mind of people, of crypto experts, crypto enthusiasts. So through airdrop, they are able to get into people's mind. When people hear money, they they kind of they kind of gravitate or levitate, I don't know, towards that point, isn't it? So because of that, people knew about Vela. Okay, people participated in their airdrop testnet, and for the fact that they participated in testnet, it became easier because the testnet environment is not different from the mainnet environment. So it became easier for those people to interact with their mainnet. So they don't even have to make much tutorials, much guide, document about the platform before people could learn how to use it. Because they are looking for money, they're looking for airdrop, they were forced, they were able to eliminate their mind laziness, their mental laziness, okay, and use the platform. Okay, ask yourself, you can use that platform today because you participated in the airdrop. And also you knew about Stack because of that. Okay, about stacks of that because of that. All right. So that is it. These are tactics. You don't have to really employ all of this. You can combine anyone, maybe any two, any three, any four of it will work for you. Okay. So I hope by now you've learned the concept of Web3 marketing, and I hope that you're going to be applying it moving forward. Okay. And I wish your product or service or your business or company it was a successful marketing campaign in the crypto space or in the Web3 industry. So, guys, and again, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, if you've watched this point, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure that you turn on notification. That's quite important. All right, share with your friends. Add this video to your watch list. Okay, if you have a playlist, when you learn on YouTube you can have a playlist. Okay, add this video to your valuable playlist so that anytime you need to watch again you can just go back to that playlist and watch over and over again. Okay, nevertheless, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and also share with your friends. If this video is valuable to you and you've learned something unique from it, make sure that you leave a comment down below. All right, so thank you very much, and have a great day.